I won't say I'm a skincare junkie, but I absolutely love skincare, and I find it can be so expensive. I've always been someone who has extremely dry skin, and with dry skin also comes like a rough texture. So if you're someone like that, then you know that the hunt for good skincare products is real. And on top of all of that, I also am a very sweaty person. So your skin is dry, so you hydrate it, and then whoops, you're sweaty, you're hot, you're you're greasy, right? And I'm not talking about the facial skin, I'm talking about your body care. So originally I started off making my own skincare products. I had my brand, which was Shea Love Organics. It was all shea butter based products, scrubs, oils, and body butters, of course. But because of because of certain things, I ended up giving up on business. Maybe I'm not good at marketing. I just feel like if I have a good product, it should launch on its own. I didn't put a lot of work into getting the product into people's hands more than, do you want a sample? But anyway, I fell in love with this brand called Tree Hut. I love the fragrances. I love the um the ingredients. I love their packaging. I love the variety. And recently I went to a small sale and I got a few of the products and I really love the fragrance. I'm going to share some of them with you. First of all, I'm going to start off with the moisturizing shave oil. This one, it's in the fragrance Candy Cane, and it promises to soothe skin and help prevent against cuts. So if you're somebody like me who gets like a lot of ingrowns and strawberry skin, I think this will definitely help. What happens during the shaving process, sometimes if you're using a razor on dry skin, or if you're using a dull razor, the hair can be kind of snagged and recoil into your skin or to the top layer of your skin, and that's what causes the roughness or the bumpiness. So giving it a nice gliding surface to work with may very well help with that problem. So the first step is to exfoliate, shave, and then hydrate. And it says Tree Hut Moisturizing Shave Oil is especially formulated to improve the contact between your skin and razor for a safe shave without the nicks. Shea butter plus a blend of botanical oils makes silky skin smooth and leaves you feeling confident to go bare. All right, and it has water in it. Even though it's a shave oil, the first ingredient is water. So that makes it much easier to wash off, but I think it will still leave your skin feeling very hydrated at the end of it. I'm going to be trying this out today. Next up, let me talk about the fragrance. So this is this fragrance Candy Cane, and it actually smells like peppermint. And if you know me, or if you've seen any of my other content, especially when it talks about like products or body care products, hygiene products, I love the scent of peppermint on the body. Next up is the scrub. This is in the peppermint pearl fragrance, and if you look closely, you can see why okay, I don't know if you can see that, but it has like shimmers in it, shimmer, glitter, sparkle, something. So this, oh yeah, she thick. Yeah, so I don't know if this is like a specialty like holiday edition, because they have like some of the decor looking like it's Christmas time stuff, but whatever, I would use this all year round. The thing about and I got the sale just in time because I just finished my pink hibiscus. This was the second container of this particular fragrance. I love this fragrance. If you like very floral, fruity, bright fragrances, then this is a really, really nice scrub for you. And I also had the passion fruit sol, which, yeah, if you like pina coladas or like tropical fruit drinks, passion fruit, if you know about passion fruit, if you're from the Caribbean, if you know, you know, and if you're not from the Caribbean, then you need to find out about passion fruit and get some in your life. This is a really nice, bright, fragrant scent as well. So these two are kind of like similar, and I just, yeah, drained both of them. So I got another one to top up. The last product I got is this whipped shea butter. It's the vitamin C one. So yeah, shea butter, body butter. So we were gonna pick up like some fragrant one or whatever, and I was like, vitamin C, it promises to reveal brighter looking skin. And I mean, I don't know about you, but I need all the brightness I can get. It has shea butter, vitamin C, and AHA. So it actually has chemical exfoliants in here. I don't know what percentage. Let me see if they mention it. No, they just say ascorbic acid, lactic acid. They don't say exactly how much of the acid, what percentage of the acid is in there, which is fine. This is what it looks like, and it actually is very, very fluffy in texture. You can see it's jiggling. So it's not a very heavy butter. As a matter of fact, the first ingredient is water. So typically butters are made with shea butter, cocoa butter, oils, like very heavily. This is more of a lotion, but I like the consistency, so it's all good with me. And we also got like a mini, because when my friends went, we got a mini body butter as well. This is the 24-hour intense hydrating Moroccan rose. And this one, I don't think that this one is whipped. It's a lot more dense in texture. I'm going to show you. This one is not, there's no jiggle from this one. This one is a little bit more heavy, and let me see what the ingredients are. Okay, first ingredient is water still, but I don't think that this one is whipped. I think that's what makes the difference in the consistency and how heavy it feels. Okay, my beautiful people, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.